In this video, we are going to see how we can install Android on VMware. Android is one of the most common operating systems out there. Setting up Android inside VMware will provide us a safe platform to practice pen testing. You should be having VMware on your machine. In first step, download Android image from the following website. Now create a new virtual machine and ensure that you keep the following settings. Just keep the kernel at Linux 4.x, network as NAT, and disk type as IDE. Now in the settings tab, enable hardware acceleration. Now boot the VM and choose advanced option and select the option to auto install. Once the system boots, press E and then again press E and change the quiet mode to the following: no mode set, X-Force Visa. Now press B to boot it, and we will have our Android running inside VMware. Let's see the demonstration. So in first step, download Android from the official website called androidhacks86.org. It will redirect you to 4-sub website. Just download the image. Now open VMware, create a new virtual machine and select your ISO file. In operating mode selection, choose Other and choose Linux 4.x kernel. Now give it a name. Now select your RAM and processor. The network type, select NAT. Ensure that you select IDE as disk type. Now create a new virtual disk and give it a size. Now click on Customize Hardware. Go to Display Settings and enable Accelerate 3D Graphics. Now click on Close and click on Finish. Now your VM will be created. Just power on this VM. Now go to Advanced Options. Select Auto Installation. Now Android operating system will start installing on VMware. It will create a new drive and format it and install the operating system on it. After installation, once the boot menu appears, press E. It will open a new menu. Press E again. Now we need to edit this command. Just search for quiet and replace it with the command as shown on the screen. Now click on B to boot. Now it will take a while to boot up for the first time. Now our Android has started and we need to do its initial setup. Select date and time, your language, etc. and accept terms of service. And in a few seconds your home window will appear. You can go to settings and select and edit settings as you want. So in this manner we can install Android on our VMware to test our apps or practice pen testing.